Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving you favorite drinks and recipe. But anyway, we are starting an event. It started on Facebook about a day now, and a lot of people saying, Chef Ricardo, we need to start up something with some healthy drink. Some people on the like page messenger me, and some people on the Facebook page also messenger me. The Facebook page is all about Chef Ricardo cooking, and the drinks and the like page is all about Chef Ricardo cooking. So guys, if you want to stay healthy, look healthy and look natural for 2016, we know a lot of people spend a lot of money on alcohol, which you don't have to do that. You can, spend money on some fruits, veg, and stay healthy and look nice. But the doctor don't have to see you all the while. So we started a 2-week course of healthy drink. So guys, tune in and watch the recipe and make it at home in the morning or in the evening before you go to your bed and get the result in 2 weeks time. So hopefully guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. We are started off today with some broccoli, which is good for you, and also some apple, which is iron, and also some honey and some natural water, and that's it. Blend it inside of a smoothie blender for roughly about 3 to 4 minutes, no time. Shake out the blender, put it down to drain, and that's it. Done and dusted. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and get a copy of Chef Ricardo cooking book on Amazon, and the price won't change. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back, guys. It's Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen. Remember, we have 2 weeks of event, which is just natural drink, and the YouTube channel, as you can see, that is on the Facebook. A lot of people been requesting a lot of healthy drink. But anyway, I'm just going to give you some ideas where you can use to make some green drink at home. First of all, I'm going to cut off a piece of a red apple right here. And basically, this is half of the red apple. Put it straight inside of your smoothie blender. If you do got one of these blender, it's very good. It's the Ninja Auto IQ. It's very good. I just wash off my broccoli. Basically, I'm going to put a few pieces inside of it like this. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. Nice and lovely. Put another piece in it. And also a piece of a ginger. The ginger, which is going to give it a lot of flavor and a lot of taste. Just a little piece of a ginger. And also 2 pieces of ice. Straight inside of it. Basically, we're going to pop a little bit of water. Not too much water, guys, to spoil it. You want to keep it real and fantastic. Next thing, squeeze a little bit of your favorite honey. A lot of people like honey in their drink, so we're going to put a little bit of honey inside of it. So, red apple, broccoli, and piece of a ginger. Can't go wrong. It's a healthy drink, and I know you guys gonna love this one. So enjoy it, guys, as we blend this for about 3 to 4 seconds. But yeah, man, 3 to 4 seconds, that's even too long. About 3 minutes, 3 seconds, I must say. Not too long. So if you seal the blender and nice and lovely, let's get it down inside of it. Lovely. And blend this for roughly about 3 to 4 seconds, alright? Nice and lovely. So now I've finished blending it. As you can see, really smooth and fine. And I'm saying this is just really, man, this is really nice and beautiful. Look at the color of it, guys. Look at the richness of it. Really nice and beautiful. So hopefully guys will like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. So this is a healthy drink which we are talking about. A lot of people do request it, and as you can see right here, it's all about ginger, broccoli, and apple with a little bit of water and honey. So enjoy it and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. It's just fantastic, right to the point, and this is just healthy, natural, and this is what good for you guys. Special broccoli, broccoli is good, ginger is good, and apple have a lot of iron. So guys, just enjoy it. Leave your comments, and thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you for this week. All right, see you next time. Bye bye.